In Brachos Daf Ches, Chazal say, Kol hamashlim parshiyosav im hatzibur ma'arichin lo yamav u'shenoisav. For the mitzvah of Shemois, Shnai Mikra ve'echad Targum, reading the parsha twice and Unkelus once, one gets longevity. Where is the source to this in the Torah? Sefer Kemach Soles brings from Parshas Kedoshim. The pasuk says, Mipnei seva takum ve'hadarta. You should rise up for people who are old. Mipnei seva takum ve'hadarta, the acronym. The first letters of each of these four words make up the word Shemois. And Shemois is the acronym for Shnai Mikra ve'echad Targum. Mipnei seva takum ve'hadarta. If you will fulfill this mitzvah, observe it. Make sure you read twice every week the parsha which is going to be read in shul, as long as the Targum, as well as the Targum. You will be zoiche mipnei seva. You will be zoiche to be an old person. Longevity. Ma'arichin lo yamavu shenoisav. However, says the Kemach Soles, the latter part of these words, the soifei tevos, they spell out the word misa, death. Chalila, if someone does not observe the mitzvah of Shemois, which is hinted to in the first letters of each of these words. Such a simple, easy mitzvah to do. Imagine if they were selling this great pill that extends one's life. How much would we spend on that? Here you don't have to spend $1. Just sit with the Chumash. Sit with Unkelus. Chazal promise. One who does this on a regular basis, every week. He will have a long life.